Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 7.6, how to hide printable information. What do we mean by hiding printable information? Here we have 3,000 rows of data. And let's say we're only interested in printing the first 50 rows. You can just scroll down to row 55, whatever number you want, highlight row 57, go down to row 365, hold down the shift key, right click, hide, and it will hide all of your data. Then go to File, Print. You can see now we're just printing 2 pages. Pretty slick, huh? To back out, just go Control Z. If you note that the bottom bit of information is available, just scroll back up, split this screen here. That's why this line's here. And if you don't remember how to do that, just go to View, Split, and just hit the split button to add, or to remove, just hit the split button again. To remove it on the page, just double click. Now, in terms of hiding information, here's a couple of other techniques. Just highlight whatever, go to, and this, I kind of chuckle because you're going to have to remember that you did this. Have notes or what have you, or you can play tricks on your coworkers. Just simply go in and change the background color. We have a black text and then a white background. Highlight any area you want hidden and keep track, because if you forget, you may find adding and subtracting down the road problematic because you hid the information and you scratch your head going, that didn't work. So remember, if you do this, to just remember you did it. So go to the font, just hit white, and your information is hidden. That's simple. Go back and hit dark. Now remember where the area was and just hit black. In terms of grid lines, it doesn't matter. I thought it would look a little bit different, but that's the second technique. The third technique is use a custom format. What we'll do, let's just highlight any area. We'll go to right click, format text. We'll go to custom, go down here in the dialog box, hit custom, hit OK. What you want to do up here under type, and this is a little confusing, but you can enter whatever customization you want here. In this case, we just want to hit 3 semicolons and hit, and there you go. Your data is hidden. To reconfigure it, you're going to have to remember that you did this. You can go into general, and you have your data set, but remember it's a date. And you're going to have to reconfigure this and just put short date, and there you go. The last way to do this is to highlight a cell, go in and put in insert, and you're going to want to put in a shape. Let's say a rectangle. Just highlight whatever area you want to insert, then go up here and change. If you want a square, you may be able to, let's go back here, let's edit shape, go back up. If there's a cleaner way to do this, if there's probably a way to round this. I'm not going to spend too much time on in terms of the graphics, but you can go in here and just change this to white. You can see borders and what have you. Go in and remove any borders. It's not as neat and pretty. You can still hide stuff in here, and there's no way you can actually go in and protect this. In other words, so somebody else doesn't override this, but that's a way to hide. 4 ways. You can just right click, hit hide. You can just grab whatever information, change the background color to white. You can use the customization. Go to right click, hit Control 1, hit custom, hit 3 semicolons, or you can add a shape. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, out. Williams out.